everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your camera store business. So let's suppose I am running camera store business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by the users. Now, when this WhatsApp chatbot is created and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query of the user. And all these details will be automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet using this integration which I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your camera store business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot, and to check this, I am going to open my WhatsApp and send some message from here. I am going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me the message. It has all these buttons. If I click on any of the buttons, it is going to ask me few questions to book a service. If I write my product name and I send this message, it is going to send me the next question asking me about the city. So I'm going to send my city name. I'm going to send this message. And if I click on this place and order, it is going to do the same. It is going to ask me my name. I am going to send this message and it will ask me for the next question like my full address. So I've sent my address and it is going to send me the next message like the product name. So I'm going to enter the product name and it is again going to send me the next message, order confirmed, delivery in 2-3 working days, and you will see that all the details I have sent these details are automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Let's open this. And this is the spreadsheet which I have created. Name, address, product name, and you can see in the chats that we have sent the same details and we have captured those details in this spreadsheet. Now, if I click on this view offers, it is going to provide me with some offers. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your camera business. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find the credit allotted, consumed, remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this WhatsApp Connect and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, which gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have this option of inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contacts with manage your lead, customer and their details. We have the team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have the templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have the flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. We have this activity log. So with the help of this, we can track all the activities in my Pabbly Chatflow account. We have the settings, and over here you can see all the options which will help us configure the account integration and preferences. We have this get help, which will access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now moving back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to open this flows. So let's go towards this flows option. And here we have landed towards this flow builder. Now you can see the total flows, active flows, inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I've created. To create a new flow, I simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. And here I have landed towards this page. Now before creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your camera store business. And over here you can see all the options of messages and actions which we will be using while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to first trigger or activate this chatbot, and to do that we have to enter the keywords and the regex. Over here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey and hi. Hello, press enter. Hey, press enter. Hi, press enter. You can also enter the keywords of your product and services which you are offering, like I'm running a camera store. So I can write the keyword as camera or something like that, and that particular keyword is going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. Next over here we have regex. So regex is also as important as these keywords. Regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify different patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. So here I'm going to enter the regex and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. Over here you can use the regex, or you can use the keywords, or you can use both. I'm going to use regex for now, so I'm going to remove the keywords, and here we have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot. Now we have to send a message. As we have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot, I have sent a message and I received this reply. So how I was able to create this? For that, I'm going to open the flow. So how I was able to get this message? For that, I'm going to open the flow and click on the circle, and from this drop down, I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. If you want to upload image, video, audio, you can select your content type as that. If you want to provide so many options to your users, you can select the list. If you have any single product, multi-product, you can use this. If you have a single AI message, you can use this. And if you want to create a pre-designed message format, you can use this template. As I'm creating a message, I'll select the text plus button and enter my message like, "Hi there, welcome to Cam World, your camera gear expert, and how can I help you today?" And then I'm going to provide the buttons over here. As I'm going to provide the 3 options, I'm going to provide 3 buttons. And over here in this message, you can see that I have bolded this text. So how I was able to bold this text? For that, I have simply put star in the beginning and in the end of the sentence, and with the help of this, I was able to bold the text. I'm quickly going to create the button as book a service, place an order, view offers. Now I'm going to create the message for each of these buttons over here. As you can see that as soon as I've clicked on any of the button, the next message was sent to me. I'm quickly going to create this and we will understand this further. So here I've created this WhatsApp chatbot. I have created the buttons for the message, book a service, place an order, and view offers. So for this book a service, I have created the message, and what I have done, I have simply drag and drop this ask question under this action, and then I have entered my question like this. I have selected my contact custom field. It is very important to understand that whenever we are going to ask the question, we have created the contact custom field for that particular question, and then we have selected the format also. So if the user answers this question, it is going to get saved in this contact custom field. We can send that to the Google Sheets, or we can create a personalized message with the help of this contact custom field. So it is very important to create these fields. So I have selected the format as any. If you want, you can select the text, number, date, according to the question which you are asking. I hope you have understood this format option. And then I have asked them about which city they are from. I have asked the issue they are facing, and then I have sent this with the help of the API request. Over here under this action itself, you can see this API request. So I have drag and drop this and entered the webhook URL. So we are going to understand this. As soon as I have sent the data, I have sent them the thank you message. Over here on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have this option of contact custom field. So you have to make sure that you save the flow before opening this. If you do not save the flow, your messages and buttons, all of this will be lost. So we have to save this before clicking or opening this. As I have opened this in a new tab, I'm going to open this. And here I have landed towards this contact custom field. You can see all the fields which I have created. Now if I check this, I have created a contact custom field by the name answers for this product name and model, for the city as city, for the issue facing as issue. And as I was telling you that you can create a personalized message, for that what you have to do, you have to simply copy this. It says contact custom field copied to clipboard, and then you have to paste that over here in any message. And with the help of this, you will be able to create a personalized message. So I hope here this is clear to you. And now moving on towards this API request. So now let me open this. You can see this box, API request, select the API request, enter the webhook URL. So to do this, what I've done, I'll open my workflow which I've created in Pabbly Connect. So this is the workflow I have created. And how you can create this, you have to go towards the All Pabbly Apps page, click on this Pabbly Connect, and you will be landed towards the Pabbly Connect dashboard. From here, you have to click on this create workflow and select the folder. I've created all these folders. I'm going to select my folder and simply click on this create. The workflow will be created, and then you have to choose the trigger application and the action application. Over here, I have two boxes. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in my trigger application, I'm going to select this as webhook by Pabbly. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select this as catch webhook. And then what I have done, I have opened this. Over here, you can see that I have clicked on this API request, and this box opened in front of me. From this drop down, I have select my method as post. I'll go back towards my workflow, and from over here, I have simply copied this webhook URL and I have pasted that webhook URL. After I have done this, I have simply created the key. I have asked the question as the product name, city, and the issue, and I have selected the contact custom field, which I have selected while asking the question. So we have to make sure that this is correct, and then you simply need to click on this test. As soon as you click on this test, that will be sent over here, and then you have to make sure that you click on this save. If you do not save this, the flow will start showing invalid. So here I have created this workflow already. This is the workflow. I have received the data over here, as I was telling you, and then in my action application, I simply took Google Sheets, selected my spreadsheet which I have created, and mapped all the details. Over here, I have clicked on the field, selected webhook by Pabbly, and entered the value to the field. Over here, we have to map all these details because mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. So please make sure that you do not enter the values manually, or this field will become static. Now here, as soon as I have done this, I have sent the thank you message, and same I have done for this place in order. I have asked the question, selected the contact custom field and formats. I have asked 3 questions, send this to my Google Sheets spreadsheet over here, as you can see this, and then I have sent a thank you message, order confirmed message, and for this, finally, for this view offers, I have sent this one message where I am giving them the offer details. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. And here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for my camera store business. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.